The Magic of Thinking Big is a self-help and personal development book written by Dr. David J. Schwartz. It was first published in 1959 and has since become a classic in the genre. The book is focused on helping individuals overcome their self-limiting beliefs and achieve success by changing their mindset and adopting a more positive and proactive approach to life. Here are some key concepts and ideas from The Magic of Thinking Big. Believe in yourself. Dr. Schwartz emphasizes the importance of self-belief as a foundation for success. He argues that many people limit themselves because they don't believe they can achieve their goals. To think big, you must first believe in your abilities and potential. Set big goals. The book encourages readers to set ambitious goals and to think beyond their immediate circumstances. Schwartz believes that setting big goals motivates people to take action and work toward their dreams. Cure excuses. Excuses is a term coined by Schwartz to describe the habit of making excuses. He discusses different forms of excuses, such as health excuses, I'm not feeling well, intelligence excuses, I'm not smart enough, and age excuses, I'm too old. To think big, one must overcome these excuses. Build confidence. Confidence is a key factor in achieving success. The book provides strategies for boosting self-confidence, including practicing positive self-talk, visualizing success, and taking calculated risks. Think and act positively. Dr. Schwartz advocates for maintaining a positive attitude and avoiding negative thinking. He suggests that a positive mindset can lead to more opportunities and better outcomes. Learn from defeat. The book encourages readers to view failure as a learning experience rather than a setback. Learning from mistakes and setbacks can lead to personal growth and future success. Manage time effectively. Time management is crucial for achieving big goals. The book provides tips on setting priorities, avoiding time-wasting activities, and being more productive. Network and build relationships. Building a strong network and cultivating relationships with others can open up new opportunities and resources. Dr. Schwartz emphasizes the importance of connecting with people who can help you achieve your goals. Take action. One of the central messages of the book is the importance of taking action. Thinking big is not enough. You must also take consistent and deliberate action toward your goals. Overall, The Magic of Thinking Big is a book that encourages readers to break free from their self-imposed limitations and adopt a more positive and proactive mindset. It provides practical advice and strategies for achieving success in both personal and professional life by thinking bigger and aiming higher. I hope you enjoyed this video. Before leaving, please like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you.